I want to tell you something we call as arrow function. And before the arrow function, just quickly recap what is a JavaScript function. So those of you who don't know about the JavaScript functionality, function is a piece of code that you can use again and again. And the way the JavaScript offers you is, I have explained it into this blue box. So function is the keyword, and after this function keyword, we have the name of the method or name of the function. In this case, it is add number, and within this bracket, we pass the function argument. And these are the small bracket, mind it. So in this line, if you are creating a function, the first thing you will be use function, the keyword, and that is provided by the JavaScript. Then you write down a suitable name for your function. In this case, I have put add number. And then within the bracket, if I am passing any information to this function, I place them here. So this is add number, means this function would be basically adding two numbers. So I have put A and B here. And within this curly bracket, I put down the body of the function. In this case, what I'm doing just A plus B, and return statement means just sum them and return it back to the main function that is calling this add number. Repeat, function in the JavaScript is created with the keyword function, followed by the name of the function, followed by any information, any argument that you pass to this function. Okay, and within the curly bracket, you place the body of the function. So this is a traditional way of using, creating a function. Now in a modern way, we actually use something we call arrow function. Arrow function is another type or another way of writing the function. However, with a difference, and it is very used with a short syntax. First of all, arrow function don't have any name. I have put a name here, add numbers, but arrow function does not come with any name. They don't have any name. Okay, so they are also called as anonymous function. The second thing is that arguments is passed in bracket, the one that we have seen here. But the difference here is that before this curly bracket, we put this arrow sign and equals to sign for arrow function or an arrow sign. So note there, this is a definition for an arrow function. The same function that I have written here is rewritten in a form of an arrow function. So you note there, function is the keyword is used here, the function keyword is used here as well. However, there is a name of the function, but in arrow function there is no name here. Okay, just the function keyword followed by the arguments A and B, followed by an arrow, okay, and then curly bracket and the body of the function. One important thing that you will be observing here is that before this function keyword, I have put a variable name. It could be any name, my variable, your variable, okay, so that I can access this function with the help of this variable. So this is the way to create a arrow function. I will be using this arrow function in our next example.